Let's start off by talking about the mountains. Do you like to go on holiday in the mountains?
Definitely. It's one of my favorite things to do. I actually love nature and the mountains specifically. Like, I always handpick locations which have mountains and like a beautiful landscape, greenery, and I love hiking as well. So that's why.
Are there any hotels in the mountains in your country?
Yes, actually, in Himachal, they have lodges. They rent it out to people who are there on vacations. And it's the most beautiful experience because you get to actually see how people who are based there, how they live and how they cook and how they clean. And you get the whole experience of everything.
Now let's talk about trees. Do you like trees?
Yeah, actually, I love trees. I love spending time around trees. When I look at a tree, I feel very alive because there's just so much history that goes with it. I mean, especially like you get oxygen. So when you just sit there and meditate, it's like the best feeling in the world. You feel very refreshed as well.
Are there many trees around your hometown?
There are, but not so much as of now because it's mostly city and buildings and shops. But I would love for it to be.
What are the benefits of planting more trees?
There are only benefits of planting more tree. I mean, it protects you from so many things, and it's so much better for your health to have trees around you. Also, I think for plantation, even for food and stuff, like to get fresh fruits and vegetables, you can always have it available outside of your home if you just have like those planted trees around you.
Now let's talk about the weather. What time of year did you enjoy the most when you were a child?
I would definitely say November, December, so like towards the end of the year when winter arrives, or even during September, October when it's rainy season. I enjoy myself the most, I think, because I love when it's cold and chilly and you can just go out for a walk or play outside with your friends. I think that's when I enjoy it the most.
Has the weather changed much in recent years?
I would say drastically, yes. It's gotten hotter and humid. I think because of global warming, it's been really bad lately.
Would you say the weather in your hometown is suitable for working?
I mean, around December, yes, but throughout the year, no. It's very, very hot. Back in India, it's like when you get out, it's a lot of humidity and you just don't feel your best. The TV documentary that I watched was a documentary on the artist Eminem. He goes by the name Marshall Mathers. And I remember I was very young when I watched it. And the reason I love it is because it's very inspiring because in the movie, he shows all of his struggles and the poverty that he went through. And he was very unfortunate as a child and even when he was a teenager. And that goes to show how much determination he had towards his dreams and his plans and goals of the future, that he knew that he was going to make it big in the music industry. And now he's known to be one of the biggest